Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Nutrition in Islam. Lesson 1. All rizq comes from Allah. There was once a young man who lived in a small village with his family. He would spend the entire day working very hard at his job, but no matter how hard he tried, he could not provide enough for his family. He failed at any business he tried. Little by little, his money was being spent until it was all gone. He had lost everything. One day, he made his way down to the river. After making wuzu, he raised his hands to the sky and prayed,
"O Allah, you know that I am going through a very hard time right now, so please help me solve my problems. You are the most merciful and the most powerful. I place all my trust in you alone."
After making the prayer, his heart felt lighter and more peaceful, and he began to feel more hopeful and thankful. He was energized and began to think positively. As he made his way back home, he spotted a man who was having trouble catching a fish. So he went up to him to see if there was something he could do to help. When the fisherman asked for some rope, the man gave him all the rope he had. In return, the fisherman gave him one of his fish. The man thanked him and continued on his way home. When he reached home, he gave the fish to his wife to cook for dinner. But when she cut the fish wide open, she saw something that took her by surprise.
"Look at this shiny pearl,"
she exclaimed as her husband rushed to the kitchen. Then they looked at the pearl in amazement.
"Subhanallah."
They both cried out at the same time. The next day, the man took the pearl to the market and sold it for a large sum of money. When he returned home, the whole family fell in sujood to thank Allah for His wonderful blessing.
Work hard to get your rizq, sustenance, from Allah.
When someone is good to his or family, Allah gives him more rizq.